Now let's start with ampersand equal to. Okay, so what do you mean by ampersand equal to? Just take an example. Let's go with a new class, or else you can write it in the previous one also. Anything is fine. You take int x is equal to 5. So you're creating a new class. Okay, int x is equal to 5. X ampersand equal to 3 semicolon. Okay, now system.out.println x. What do you mean by this ampersand equal to? What do you call this? This we call it as bitwise and operator. Okay, just write it in the comment. Bitwise, bitwise, bitwise and operator. Okay, so to do this you need to understand the basics of binary division. Okay, so do you know what is binary division?
Yes, sir.
Let's do the binary division for 5 first. So because you are going to divide 5 with 2, right? So
Yes,
5
sir.
with 2, just write the, can you open a paint window, do the binary division. You have to write 5 and divide with 2. 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 times. What is the remainder?
One,
1.
sir.
Next. Yeah. Next, 2 how many times? 2 ones are 2. 0 remainder. And again, you have to make sure that it is last till 0. Okay, 2 0 times 1. So now what is the binary format for 5? It is, you have to start it from the bottom, that is 0 1 0 1. Correct? Can you write it there? 0 1 0 1. At the end, can you write it as 5? Because you'll understand it better. Just give a arrow, give arrow. Yeah, 5. This is for 5. So you might already aware, right? So it is, the first value is ones, 2, 4, 8. That is 2 to the power of 0. The first one, that is on top, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 0. And the next one is 2 to the power of 1. And the next one 2 square. And then 2 cube. Okay. So if you look at this, 2 cube is 8, 8 into 0, 0, 2 square is 4, 4 into 1, 4, 2 power 1, that is 2 into 0, and then, yeah, you don't need to write all of them, right? So 4 and 2 to the power of 0 is 1, right? Yeah, just write all of them. So 4 plus 1 is equal to your 5 value. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you just erase the rest of the portion, whatever you have written 2 to the power of 0 and all? This is for your understanding only, I'm explaining you. So the binary format for 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, just keep that alone, and do the same thing for 3 also. So because you are trying to divide 5 with 3. Okay, once you erase this, do the same thing for 3 also. You do the division. Can you do that? Write it at the bottom. 3 at the bottom. No, not there. This after 5. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Should I
3
divide 3 by 2 or 5 by 3, sir?
3 with 2. Binary is always with 2. You have to divide with 2 only. 2 how many times? 1 time. 2 ones, the remainder is 1, and again 2 0 times 2 0 and then 1. So now what is the outcome here? 0 1 1.
Yes, sir.
You just write 0 0 at the top, the top first, ultimately 0. Yeah, 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, this is for what? 3. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you remove the last one, whatever you have written at the bottom? So now what you have to do is, when you're talking about this ampersand, that is bitwise operator, you have to do the division with these binary values. Just give a underline there. Just give a underline. So you might aware of 10th standard conjunction statement, right? What is conjunction? Do you remember? P, Q are two statements. Just wait. Okay. P, Q are two statements. If both P and Q are true, then only that is true. Do you remember that statement?
Yes, sir.
That is conjunction. What is disjunction? When one of the statement is true, that is your disjunction, P or Q. So now we are talking about ampersand. So that means whenever both of them are 1, then only it is 1. Okay. Whenever there is 1 1, just keep it as 1 at the bottom. Yeah. After the underline, 1 1 1. 0 1, it is 0. 1 0, it is 0. 0 0, it is 0. Are you clear? This is
Yes,
ampersand.
sir.
Okay. Now what is the outcome? 0 0 1. 0 0 1, what is the outcome value? The
1, sir.
first value is the power of 0. So if you execute our program, you will get the outcome as 1 only. Can you just run the program and see what is the outcome? Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the same thing for pipe symbol? That is bitwise OR. Now we have seen bitwise and, now bitwise OR. X pipe symbol equal to 3. X, just comment the fourth line, equal to 3. Okay, bitwise OR. You just write it as bitwise OR. Bitwise ORR. Bitwise OR. OR capitals. Okay, now you go back to the same example, whatever you have written in the paint. So same example we are going to do. Now the result will change. Can you go to the paint? So if you look at the, not this one, the other one, you have written for 5 and 3, right? So at the bottom, this is for AND output, right? Just write one more output at the after this. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, this is for R. Okay. So you just put it as R. Yeah. Whenever one of these statement is true, then it is true. Okay. 1 1 is 1. 0 1 is 1. 1 0 is 1. 0 is 0 is 0. Correct. Now ones, 2, 4, and then 8. What is the outcome? 1 plus 2 plus 4. How much?
7, sir.
7. That could be your outcome. Can you just try that out? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the concept of ampersand and ampersand equal to and uh, pipe symbol equal to? These are very, very important, but generally we don't use in any of the recent programs these bitwise operators. Okay, but it is better to have this understanding whenever you go for an interview. Some of the people may be interested in understanding the assignment operators exclusively on the ampersand and pipe symbols. Okay.
Yes, sir.